Chocolate begins its journey long before it reaches store shelves. Deep within tropical regions, cocoa trees produce colorful pods that contain the precious cocoa beans used to make chocolate. When the pods are fully ripe, skilled farmers carefully harvest them by hand to protect both the fruit and the trees. The harvested pods are opened, revealing fresh cocoa beans surrounded by sweet white pulp. These beans are placed into large wooden boxes where they ferment for several days. Fermentation is one of the most important stages because it develops the rich flavors that make chocolate so distinctive. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun or dried, using controlled drying systems, until most of their moisture is removed. Once dry, they are packed into sacks and transported to modern chocolate factories for processing. At the factory, every shipment is carefully inspected before the beans are cleaned to remove dust, stones, and other impurities. The clean beans then enter large roasting machines, where carefully controlled heat brings out their deep aroma and enhances their flavor. After roasting, specialized machines crack the beans and separate the thin outer shells from the valuable cocoa nibs inside. These nibs are ground into a thick, smooth liquid known as cocoa liquor, the essential ingredient in all chocolate. Depending on the recipe, cocoa liquor is blended with cocoa butter, sugar, and for milk chocolate, fresh milk powder. Giant industrial mixers combine these ingredients into a smooth paste before the mixture enters refining, machines that create an incredibly fine texture. Next comes conching, a slow mixing process that can last for many hours. During this stage, the chocolate becomes smoother, creamier, and develops its final rich flavor and aroma. The finished chocolate is then tempered using precise temperature controls. Tempering gives chocolate its glossy appearance, crisp snap, and stable structure. Once tempered, the liquid chocolate flows into molds where it takes the shape of bars, blocks, or other delicious treats. Cooling tunnels solidify the chocolate before it is carefully removed from the molds. Every piece is inspected using both automated equipment and trained quality control workers to ensure it meets strict standards for appearance, weight, and texture. Finally, the chocolate is wrapped, labeled, and packaged on high-speed production lines. Finished products are boxed, stacked onto pallets, and loaded onto trucks for delivery to supermarkets and stores around the world. From a single cocoa pod growing in a tropical forest to a perfectly crafted chocolate bar enjoyed by millions, every step combines nature, craftsmanship, and advanced technology to create one of the world's favorite sweet treats.